Chiliz value equivalent to 2.0695 rands a coin. The present cost range, 1.9224-2.2016. The earlier day close, 2.0999. The change was 0.0304, 1.45%. Backwards rate, ZAR to CHC. Chiliz cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Chiliz cost expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost 2.12 rands, high 2.27, low 1.97. Chiliz conjecture on Friday, May 12, cost 1.91 rands, high 2.04, low 1.78. Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, May 15, cost 1.92 rands, high 2.05, low 1.79. Chiliz conjecture on Tuesday, May 16, cost 1.84 rands, high 1.97, low 1.71. In multi-week Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday, May 17, cost 1.84 rands, high 1.97, low 1.71. Chiliz conjecture on Thursday, May 18, cost 1.84 rands, high 1.97, low 1.71. Chiliz cost forecast on Friday, May 19, cost 1.89 rands, high 2.02, low 1.76. Chiliz estimate on Monday, May 22, cost 1.88 rands, high 2.01, low 1.75. Chiliz cost forecast on Tuesday, May 23, cost 1.89 rands, high 2.02, low 1.76. In about 14 days Chiliz estimate on Wednesday, May 24, cost 1.88 rands, high 2.01, low 1.75. Chiliz cost forecast on Thursday, May 25, cost 1.90 rands, high 2.03, low 1.77. Chiliz estimate on Friday, May 26, cost 1.89 rands, high 2.02, low 1.76. Chiliz cost forecast on Monday, May 29, cost 1.91 rands, high 2.04, low 1.78. Chiliz estimate on Tuesday, May 30, cost 1.87 rands, high 2.00, low 1.74. In 3 weeks Chiliz cost forecast on Wednesday, May 31, cost 1.96 rands, high 2.10, low 1.82. Chiliz estimate on Thursday, June 1, cost 2.00 rands, high 2.14, low 1.86. Chiliz cost expectation on Friday, June 2, cost 1.98 rands, high 2.12, low 1.84. Chiliz figure on Monday, June 5, cost 2.03 rands, high 2.17, low 1.89. Chiliz cost expectation on Tuesday, June 6, cost 1.86 rands, high 1.99, low 1.73. In about a month Chiliz figure on Wednesday, June 7, cost 1.83 rands, high 1.96, low 1.70. Chiliz cost expectation on Thursday, June 8, cost 1.72 rands, high 1.84, low 1.60. Chiliz figure on Friday, June 9, cost 1.78 rands, high 1.90, low 1.66. Chiliz value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Chiliz cost expectation for May 2023. In the first place cost at 2.31 rands, exorbitant cost 2.71, while low cost 1.71. The found the middle value of cost 2.17. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 1.96, change for May 15.2%. Chiliz estimate for June 2023. First and foremost cost at 1.96 rands, exorbitant cost 2.17, while low cost 1.60. The found the middle value of cost 1.89. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 1.83, change for June 6.6%. Chiliz cost expectation for July 2023. First and foremost cost at 1.83 rands, exorbitant cost 2.12, while low cost 1.83. The found the middle value of cost 1.94. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.98, change for July 8.2%. Chiliz conjecture for August 2023. Before all else cost at 1.98 rands, excessive cost 1.98, while low cost 1.64. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.84. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.76, change for August 11.1%. Chiliz cost expectation for September 2023. Before all else cost at 1.76 rands, excessive cost 1.95, while low cost 1.69. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.81. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.82, change for September 3.4%. Chiliz conjecture for October 2023. Before all else cost at 1.82 rands. Excessive cost 2.26, while low cost 1.82. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.00. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.11, change for October 15.9%. Chiliz cost expectation for November 2023. At the outset cost at 2.11 rands. Excessive cost 2.11, while low cost 1.65. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.91. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.77, change for November 16.1%. Chiliz conjecture for December 2023. At the outset cost at 1.77 rands. Excessive cost 1.77, while low cost 1.39. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.61. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.49, change for December 15.8%. Chiliz cost expectation for January 2024. At the outset cost at 1.49 rands. Excessive cost 1.51, while low cost 1.31. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.43. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.41, change for January 5.4%. Chiliz conjecture for February 2024. At the outset cost at 1.41 rands. Excessive cost 1.73, while low cost 1.41. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.54. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 1.62, change for February 14.9%. Chiliz cost expectation for WAC 2024. Initially cost at 1.62 rands. Excessive cost 2.01, while low cost 1.62. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.78. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 1.88, change for spring 16.0%. Chiliz figure for April 2024. Initially cost at 1.88 rands. Excessive cost 2.33, while low cost 1.88. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.07. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 2.18, change for April 16.0%. Chiliz cost expectation for May 2024. First and foremost cost at 2.18 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.18, while low cost 1.70. The found the middle value of cost 1.97. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 1.83, change for May 16.1%. Ran to Chiliz estimate on Thursday, May 11, cost 0.472 coins, high 0.508, low 0.441. ZAR to CHC forecast on Friday, May 12, cost 0.524 coins, high 0.562, low 0.490. Ran to Chiliz estimate on Monday, May 15, cost 0.521 coins, high 0.559, low 0.488. ZAR to CHC forecast on Tuesday, May 16, cost 0.543 coins, high 0.585, low 0.508. ZAR to CHC expectation for